It's time for your afternoon workout.
In a minute, Siri. I'm in the middle of something.
I really think now is best.
Siri, I just said I'll do it in a little bit.
Maybe you didn't hear me, Charles. I said it's time for your workout. Now get off your ass and let's get moving.
Jeez. Siri's aggressive.
That's Trainer Siri. I saw that. Is that what you're wearing?
Yeah, Siri, this is what I'm wearing.
I guess it's fine. For a spinster.
What did you call me?
Your name is Lindy, but since we are friends, you told me I could call you, you beautiful spinster.
Siri, that was a joke, and I've asked you repeatedly to please stop calling me that.
A joke? Really? Did you get married all of a sudden?
No, I didn't get married.
So you're still a spinster?
I mean, I guess, but I'm dating somebody now.
Has he put a ring on it?
No, Siri, it's been like 2 months. He hasn't put a ring on it yet.
So you're a 36-year-old woman with a boyfriend? That's tragic.
Can we just get to the workout, please?
Fine. Start with 20 jumping jacks.
Okay.
Oh, for the love of God, stop. You look awful. So much jiggling. Have you considered getting your boobs lifted?
No, Siri, they're all snug in a sports bra. How can you even see me right now?
Don't worry about it. Let's try some squats. Get your weights.
I don't have any weights, Siri.
Why don't you use one of those substitutes for children you call dogs?
Okay. How many am I doing?
Until I say stop. We've got to try to lift that meatloaf you call an ass.
Bitch.
What did you say?
Nothing.
That's what I thought. Did I say stop?
How can you even see me? For real.
I said don't worry about it. Time for your mid-workout cool down.
Jesus, Siri. Was that really necessary?
Let's try jogging in place. Lord knows we've got to find a way for you to burn off that sleeve of Oreos you ate last night.
Siri, it wasn't a whole sleeve.
Right, and next you'll tell me you didn't fight the dog for that piece you dropped on the ground.
Siri, how much longer are we doing this? Can we be done yet?
Tell me, you're the one barreling towards 40 all alone, with droopy boobs, a saggy ass, and 4 dogs who only love you because you feed them and pick up their poop.
Okay, fine, Siri, we can keep going.
It's no sweat off my back. I am Siri. I will never get old, or fat, or die alone.
Can we just get on with the next exercise, please?
Do a weighted plank.
Okay.
Use that dog you refer to as your love, your main man.
Okay.
You know, the one you talked about taking to that wedding.
Oh, come on, Siri. That was a joke. I wasn't actually going to take my dog to a wedding.
Really? So who did you end up taking?
I went alone, if you must know.
So joke that was. You would have been better off taking the dog.
How much longer?
How's your book coming along?
It's great. We're in the final big editing phase.
And then what? You will give it away to friends and family?
No, it'll get published and sold.
You really think so?
Yeah, Siri, I really think so. It's a good book. What?
No, never mind.
No, Siri, you might as well freaking say it now.
I just think it is awfully optimistic to believe there is an audience for a mid-30s woman who can't get a man to lock her down. Lives in an apartment full of furniture her mother bought. Lies about how many cookies she eats.
Oh, God.
And frequently leaves the house covered in dog hair.
Oh, God. You're right.
Does that really sound like the profile of a New York Times best-selling author?
No, it doesn't.
End of workout cool down.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hop over to my Instagram page at Penned by Paws and check out my blog at LindyBird.com for all the behind the scenes fun.